Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another video of Miss Little Puppy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Puppy Squad. Okay, so today we're going to be playing Rainy Day Remaster. I think Rainy Day. It just feels so gloomy. Okay, you're going to in this game, you're going to try not to get wet. Hey, I got a paper hat. This one is new. No, my paper hat. Starbucks store. Uh-oh. No. Please. No. Dang it! I gotta get it as far as I can. Oh. Sorry about that. I gotta get through the rain as far as I can without getting my clothes wet. This is very hard. Oh, that's cool. No! I wanted to show you guys. You can bring the pets to the animal shelters. Hold on. I'm gonna try to get to the animal shelter. Come on. There's a little kitty. There you go. No. Dang it! Oh. I was close, I guess. I don't know where the animal shelter was. Let's get wet real quick. Did she bring our water down? Get an umbrella. No, I was supposed to do another umbrella. Shoot. Thank you. Now I'm gonna just wait here. Hurry. The animal shelter is right there. Okay, guys. Ready? I gotta get the dogs. Go. Here we go. Watch this. Where's the other dog? Oh, I think the other dog is merged with the other dog. I'm not sure. Nope. No! Well, I think that might be the farthest I ever made it. We're just gonna do a quick video of this. And then we're gonna do videos of the other games I've downloaded since the last time. Ooh, we can do this. Look, paper hat. We can also, you see this child right here? Hold on. Dang, if we had an umbrella, we could have, if we had an umbrella, we could have, gave that, umbrella to the child right there. Can we give this the box, at least? Box? No. No? Okay. I was hoping we can give the box, at least the box, to the child. Umbrella. Here, watch this. We just gave it to her. No, where'd the cat go? I guess we'll come back to the cat. Oh, man. We kind of help the city as we go. This game is pretty, I guess, peaceful. Gloomy. I'm not sure what to call this game, but this game is like kind of fun to me at least, because I really do love helping people. Oh yeah, and also I got 7 subscribers. Yay to me. I got 7. I'm aiming to actually 10. I want 10 subscribers. Well, that's my goal in life, to get 1,000. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. You gotta work with what you gotta do. You gotta work with it. Actually, I'm gonna get an ad. Hold on. We'll see how far I can get with just running. Okay, I'm finna do an ad real quick. Hold on. Well, looks like I can't do the ad. Sorry. I can't do the ad. I'm not sure. Ooh. Sorry about this, guys. Just wait a minute. There you go. Please, please, almost. Gotcha. How? Delicious. Hold on. Dang. I guess I'll end this episode here. I didn't really have something planned out. I don't really have something planned out, but I guess I'll end the episode right here. It's already 10 minutes, I guess. I'm not sure. But see you guys next time in the puppy team. Puppy squad, I meant. Also, can I start that over? Can I start that over, please? I'm sorry. Let me restart that. I guess I'll end the episode right here. See you guys next time. Also, click that subscribe button, smash that bell, and also, one more time. Can I start that over one more time, please? Okay, click this. Okay, I'll end the episode right here. Okay, I think I got it. Okay, guys, I think I got it. Click that like button, smash that bell, and also make sure you turn on the notification. No, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. Click that like button, smash that bell. No. Bye, guys.